I stopped meditating for 30 days and this is the result. Nothing. I didn't lose my inner peace. Because, to be honest, to begin with, I didn't know even I had it. For quite a while, as a good human being with a little bit anxiety, I, every day, meditated. Sitting cross-legged, breathe, and try to forget my existential problem. Well, for 10 minutes a day. Because I was told that meditation can help me with overthinking. It didn't. I was meditating while my mind was more focused and still terribly annoying. Well, one day I decided I don't want to meditate anymore. And nothing happened. The sky didn't fall, my nervous system didn't collapse. And the result was that I had 10 more minutes a day to enjoy my coffee. The truth is that we turn meditation into a chore, a checkbox, another spiritual task added to our long to-do list every day. Like flossing your trauma instead of your teeth. Meditation somewhere along the way become a product, a downloadable solution, an emotional Advil for the broken society. Well, got anxiety? Meditate. Burnout? Meditate. You cannot sleep? Download one of those guided meditation apps for sleep. Nowadays, meditation is everywhere. Apps, influencers, wellness retreat with overpriced herbal teas. But the truth is, we don't meditate to connect. We meditate to cope with a broken society. And we meditate with an inbox that feels like a psychological landmines. We took this sacred spiritual practice and tried to squeeze it between two Zoom calls. We turn silence to productivity, presence to performance. Meditation is nothing new. It's a thousands of years old practice created by spiritual guidance, by monks, mystics, and is a path to be detached from your ego, from you, from this I, from identity. Not to add calm to your rush drive, but to strip away everything away, especially the idea of I. It's not created as a practice or as a sport for your brain between two Zoom calls to cope with the society. The origin of meditation was not to help you to sleep better or to be more productive. It was to teach you the way of disidentification, letting go of self together, not just quieting your mind, but to understand that you are not your mind. Meditation was not meant to make you relax or calm before another corporate Monday. That's very different with what meditation is all about. In fact, the neuroscience shows that meditation was not even meant to make you sleep, and it doesn't. If your brain is already overstimulated, the truth is sitting in stillness make the chaos even louder. Here is the part that everyone ignores. The model of meditation that we are using today, it becomes an industry worth billions of dollars, apps, retreats, online certifications. We turn detachment into a business model. Detachment to fully attachment. It's the same pattern. First, overwhelm people with noises, pressure, and then sell them an app of 14.99 euros. Serenity apps to be downloaded every month. The stillness is not supposed to be a kind of subscription. Peace is not a feature to be upgraded. It's a birthright that we just forgot. You don't need to meditate. You need to reconnect, unless you want to use meditation as a spiritual practice to completely disconnect and go and live like a monk. You can't perform meditation and expect peace and stillness between two Zoom calls. Well, this is why I stopped meditating, because I didn't know why should I listen to an app for 10 minutes that tells me to feel your hand, to feel your leg, to feel your body. I can do that because this is my body and I have to feel it. I could perform it while I'm washing dishes, looking at my hand, how beautifully it's moving. How can I use it and connect it again with my body? Making soup, to use my senses, to smell it, to enjoy it, and to reconnect again with the daily life. Just walking with no destination, to know what means wandering in life. Mending something, to understand everything that is broken can be repaired again. Well, stare at a wall or at a tree without calling it stillness or mindfulness. Well, we don't need to perform peace. We need to live it. If you're tired of spiritual homework, you're not alone. You're just overstimulated by society that gives you just 10 minutes to prepare yourself for another rush. And maybe, just maybe, real peace start when you stop performing it and try to feel it. Stillness is not silence. And peace doesn't come with forcing it. It comes with real life. So until next week, goodbye.